You get a job, you work hard, you pick up extra shifts, or start freelancing on the side. Your income climbs for a while, but eventually it stops. Not because you stop trying. The problem is the clock. You can only trade so much time for so much money before you literally run out of hours. To get past this barrier, you have to change what your effort is attached to. You have to decouple your income from your time by building leveraged income. In this video, we are going to walk through the real mechanics of earning more without adding hours to your week. We will do this by building a concrete, step-by-step leveraged asset blueprint. Grab a piece of paper or open a blank document on your computer. Breaking this time trap requires actively mapping out an escape plan, and we are going to structure yours right now. Step 1 is mapping your current limit. Right now, you likely rely on linear income. This means you get paid strictly for the specific hours you work. On your paper, write down the absolute maximum number of hours you can realistically sustain in a week before total burnout sets in. Look at this equation. Multiply your maximum sustainable hours by your hourly rate. That max hour number is your bottleneck. The resulting number is your unavoidable mathematical cap. This is where the math refuses to work in your favor. Leveraged income works differently. Instead of relying on your clock, your effort is multiplied by external factors, rather than being capped by your available hours. Seeing this hard limit on paper proves that simply working harder is the wrong strategy. You need a complete change in how your income is generated. Step 2 is selecting your lever to break past the ceiling. You must choose one specific mechanical asset to build. This grid shows 4 levers. First, digital products. Build an asset once, sell repeatedly. Second, systems. Automating workflows cuts delivery time, raising your rate. Third, people. Earn a margin on others' work to scale. Fourth, capital. Investments generate returns without active labor. Capital is the slowest lever to build since it requires existing funds. If you live paycheck to paycheck, avoid choosing this option first. Review these 4 options. On your blueprint, write down one lever that you are committing to. Attempting all 4 levers simultaneously is why most people fail. Decoupling your time from income requires concentrated, singular focus to overcome the initial friction. Step 3 addresses that friction. Leveraged assets require an upfront investment of time or money that will not be compensated today. Write down the specific fixed cost for your chosen lever. That might be 40 hours to build a course, or 10 hours for a template. Once that defined fixed cost is fully paid, the clock resets to 0. All future revenue from the asset is completely decoupled from your daily time. Step 4 is finding the time to pay down this fixed cost while still surviving and paying your current bills. The most critical safety rule of this blueprint is that you must build this new asset gradually alongside your current job. Do not take a risky leap and abandon the linear income you already rely on. Looking at a calendar like the one on screen, carve out 3 to 5 hours each week dedicated strictly to building your chosen asset. These specific time blocks are the only moments where your fixed cost debt is actively paid down. Effectively scheduling this side build turns a daunting career transition into a safe, predictable weekly habit. Review your piece of paper. You now possess a fully completed, personalized, leveraged asset blueprint. You have mathematically defined your ceiling, selected your specific escape lever, mapped the upfront cost, and secured time on your calendar. This structural shift takes longer than most expect. It involves uncomfortable delays in gratification and doing work today that won't pay off until tomorrow. Building leveraged assets is the only proven mechanism that allows your income to grow past the absolute limits of a 24-hour day. Your only remaining goal is to execute the very first time block on your calendar this week and start building your asset.